Hey, it's Maddie from MagicBrief, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build and organize some effective creative swipe files. Building swipe files lives in the Inspire part of the MagicBrief product, and immediately you get this big feed of ads which you can scroll just like you would any other social media feed. And the intention of this feed is to be able to save ads into these boards which you build over on the side here. There's many different ways that you could organize these boards, so I'll walk you through 3 different ways that we see our power users organizing their boards within MagicBrief. The first is organizing by ad concept. So at a high level, they will have a board for concepts and then subboards underneath that. So whenever you are launching a new product or you are onboarding a new client, you have somewhere to go with all of these different concepts which you can pull from and show as inspiration. The next way that I see people doing it, and this is more for agencies, is by the actual client or by the vertical. So if you are a brand that works across a couple of different verticals, like say that you sell apparel, but you also sell homewares, for example, you can also sort your boards by the particular industry. And the third way that I see it done is just by employees. So if you're working within a company and you want to keep all of your inspiration organized by yourself so that you know exactly where everything is, you can just have your name on the side and then organize it underneath that the way that you would like. In terms of actually finding ad inspiration, MagicBrief has one of the largest collections of performance advertising in the world, and it is entirely searchable with AI. So if you click into this search bar at the top here, you have these options to either search by brand, by industry, or by ad theme, and you can also search by keyword. So to give you a demonstration of how the search works, if I search all iCloud, you can see that it's going to give me these different prompts of searching with AI, searching inside the ad copy, inside the image, or inside the transcript. So for this one, if I select to search the text in image, you can see that all the examples it's serving up is this Apple Notes app format because it's actually picking up on this text in the top left corner. So anything that you would want to visually search inside an image, you can do by searching text in image. Alternatively, if you want to search by something different, like TikTok made me try, I'm going to search this phrase inside the transcript because even if it's not written anywhere, the creator in the video would say it. And here it's going to pull all of these different videos where someone has said, TikTok made me try this, blah, blah, blah. You could pull a whole bunch of these references and then save it into a board on the side, which is this like TikTok made me concept, because you can use that across heaps of different verticals. Something that our users find really helpful as well is you can click into any ad on the platform and it's going to pull up this ad detail view here, and you can see all of the ad copy on the side, you can see where the CTA leads to and the landing page. But over on the right here, you can copy the script of this ad, download the asset, view the thumbnail, view the landing page, and we also have all of this additional information that we can share. So these performance estimates are something that we generate at MagicBrief, and they're not based on actual spend. That data is private, but we're looking at things like the longevity of the ad. So how long has it run for? Can we detect that there's variations of the ad that have been made? So if a brand has used the script once and then they've used it again 4 more times, this will push the score up. We're also looking at the quality of script, we're looking at the editing pace, but this can be a really good heuristic just to see the types of creative we think are likely to do well on the platform. You can see the runtime, when it was launched. Any ad on MagicBrief you can share by generating a share link, and you can also add comments so that you can have this multiplayer collaboration with people in your team. And something that I really love doing is, say I play a video, and let's say that I really want to talk about this visual that's 30 seconds in. I can tag my team member, so hey Charles, love this text visual here, and then when I hit send, it will actually retain that timestamp of the video that I'm speaking to. So if there's a particular transition that you want to refer to, or there's a CTA that you really like, you have the ability to actually capture that time context within the comments. And then to save an ad, just click into this down button. You can scroll or search to find the board that you want. Let's save that into supplements, and then that will save down into your board. At the top here, you also have the ability to add different filters to this feed. So I could filter to only see video ads, for example, that have run for, let's say, over 15 days. And if you click into this eyeball icon, I can toggle to see the ad copy on or off, the headline and CTA on or off, and then I can also switch between looking at that performance estimate I was speaking to before or the runtime. And then back over on the side here, you can click into a board, and then click this share button, and you can share this board with anyone, either inside of your organization or publicly with a public share link. A lot of our customers will create these boards and use them as mood boards or swipe files to share with their clients, or even to use as lead magnets because anyone can access them. Have a play around and happy ad saving.